So, you introduce to them text versus subtext, for example.
Mhm.
So, bakit ang baba-baba ng rating namin? "Oh, good afternoon ma'am naman kami sa mga kliyente namin." Sige, sabihin mo ngayon, "Good afternoon ma'am," pero ang subtext is what's running in your mind, 'no, and we teach them that. Ang subtext mo, sige mag-subtext tayo, sabihin natin, ang line mo lang ay, "Ang ganda," ang subtext mo ay, "Grabe sobrang ganda." And they will learn to say, "Ang ganda." Okay, ang line mo ay, "I hate you," pero ang subtext ay, "I like you very much." I hate you. Natutuklasan na nila. O ngayon subukan ninyo, ang text ninyo ay, "Good afternoon ma'am," ang subtext niyo ay, "Buwisit dumating ka pa."
Mhm.
Good afternoon ma'am. Ay oo nga 'no, gano'n pati sila, they realize that
Wow.
they never watched their subtext. Akala
Wow.
nila by saying the text, it already is compliance. No, kasi ang universal language talaga ay hindi English kundi subtext.